Hello guys, welcome. In this video, let's see how to fix Midea air conditioner not turning on in the easiest way. Before getting into the video, I am on journey to reach 5,000 subs at the earliest, so it will help me bring you more tutorials like this. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To fix Midea air conditioner not turning on, first check the power supply. Ensure the air conditioner is plugged in and that the outlet is functioning. Use a multimeter to test the outlet for voltage. If there's no power, check your circuit breaker. It may have tripped. Reset it if necessary. Second, inspect the remote control. Replace the batteries if the remote isn't working. If the unit is not responding to the remote, try using the manual controls on the unit itself. Third, examine the thermostat settings. Ensure the thermostat is set to cool and the temperature is set lower than the current room temperature. If the thermostat is malfunctioning, it may need recalibration or replacement. Fourth, look for any error codes on the display. Refer to the user manual to interpret any error codes and follow the troubleshooting steps provided. Fifth, clean or replace the air filter. A dirty filter can restrict airflow, causing the unit to malfunction. Check the filter and clean or replace it if it's dirty. Sixth, inspect the indoor and outdoor units. Ensure there are no obstructions around the outdoor unit and that the indoor unit is free from dust and debris. If the unit still doesn't turn on after these checks, it may require professional service to diagnose and repair internal components such as the compressor or control board. Thanks for watching till the end. Thank you.